Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Audi Q8 Premium in black. With HID headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, dual touch screen display, navigation, rear backup camera, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7331.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.